Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. Can you guess what I'm going to make today? Well, you're right. It is a fruit sauce, but it's not just apples. I have delicious pears in here as well. I work in a school and they have a snack program and they had lots of leftovers that they weren't going to use. And I said, give it to me and I will make a delicious sauce and bring it in because I like sharing. Sharing is caring, just like my YouTube channel, people. So make sure you share my channel. Had to get that in, of course. And I have my big cast iron pot. So really, I mean, whatever amount you have, I have quite a bit because I like to make lots, and you can make a smaller amount, but a larger amount, then you'll have it for many days and of course to share. So all I'm going to do is I have my temperature on a medium to high heat, and I'm just going to simply add all my apple and pear. And you saw, or you can see, that I didn't even peel the apples or pears because all the nutrients are in the skins, okay? And I'm just going to add a third cup of water, all right? Because you don't want it too watery. You may need to add a little bit more or less depending on how much you're making. Now, I'm going to add some lemon juice. And I already put in a half a lemon, and this is the other half of lemon. So I like fresh lemon in it. If you don't have fresh lemon, of course, you can use lemon juice from the bottle. A key feature, of course, is cinnamon. And I'm just going to start sprinkling in, I would say about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon or so, and give it a nice mix. All right. And you can make this in your pressure cooker, your slow cooker, whatever you have, or just a big pot like I'm doing. And you want to just turn it down and do it on a medium heat. Now, I have this Nature's Hollow, and it is a sugar-free, low-calorie honey substitute. And you can use whatever sugar substitute. The other thing that I love to use is my Lakanto Monk sugar. So I'm just going to use about a tablespoon or so. And don't worry, remember, my recipes are versatile. So if you don't have this honey, don't worry. You can use any other sugar substitute. Okay? But you can try to find it. I buy this at the low-carb grocery store here in Canada. But you could look up Nature's Hollow and see, or if you can find in your health food stores, or if you have a low-carb store like I do. And we're just going to cook this down, and I'm going to take my hand mixer, and I'm going to make it into a sauce later. So I'll be back to show you how delicious and how pretty this sauce is going to be. See you soon. Hey guys, so I'm back, and you can see that the apple and pears are fully cooked. They are super soft, and I am going to take my hand mixer. I'm just going to bring it up to the camera so you can just see that when you just stick in your fork, it is super soft. And now I'm going to take my hand mixer, just going to show you, and I'm just going to blend it all up. And that's it. Just blend that baby up, and this is going to be super delicious. You know, you can have this with your breakfast, with yogurt, with my homemade granola. It's awesome, hot or cold. You can see how fast, and just trying to mix it with one hand. It is not easy, my friends. So hold on a second. Just going to, well, it's not working very well, but I'm just going to, you can also take a potato masher, and it's actually pretty much all mixed up. Now, I think that looks delicious, and I'm just going to show you how creamy and smooth it gets. And like I said, you can have this apple pear sauce for a snack, dessert, breakfast, okay, with yogurt, over frozen yogurt. It's amazing with oatmeal, in your oatmeal, for your overnight oats. All right, so lots of ideas, and even add a little bit of whipped cream, Cool Whip would be absolutely delicious. All right, so take care. I hope you love this recipe. And look what I just made, tuna burgers. So stay tuned for that recipe. And I'm getting ready to make a broccoli soup. I'm very busy in my kitchen. This is all ready for my tuna burgers. So meal prep is very important as well. Tell me what you think of my delicious and nutritious apple and pear sauce. Okay, take care. Bye for now.